Common HVAC issues in the Jacksonville area can range from thermostat installation to furnace repair. When dealing with HVAC systems, it is important to address any issues promptly to ensure the comfort and safety of your home. One common issue that homeowners face is the need for air duct cleaning, as dirty ducts can lead to poor indoor air quality and decreased system efficiency. Additionally, proper ventilation system installation is crucial for maintaining a healthy environment in your home. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, provided excellent service when I needed assistance with thermostat installation, heat pump installation, furnace repair, air duct cleaning, and ventilation system installation. Their knowledgeable technicians were able to address all of my HVAC needs efficiently and effectively. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for any HVAC services in the Jacksonville area. Proper HVAC installation is crucial for ensuring optimal indoor air quality and energy efficiency in commercial buildings. It involves a combination of factors such as indoor air quality testing, energy efficiency upgrades, and regular HVAC maintenance. In addition, having access to emergency HVAC services is essential for addressing any sudden issues that may arise. As a satisfied customer, I can attest to the importance of hiring reputable commercial HVAC contractors like Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida. Their expertise in HVAC installation made a significant difference in the air quality and energy efficiency of my commercial space. From indoor air quality testing to energy efficiency upgrades, their team was thorough and professional every step of the way. In times of emergency, their prompt emergency HVAC services saved the day and prevented any major disruptions to my business operations. I highly recommend Bold City Heating and Air for all HVAC installation needs in Jacksonville, Florida. When it comes to ensuring a comfortable and healthy indoor environment, energy-efficient HVAC solutions play a crucial role in Jacksonville homes. Residential HVAC services encompass a range of options, including air quality assessments, HVAC system replacement, HVAC tune-ups, and HVAC inspections. Air quality assessments are essential for identifying potential pollutants in the air and ensuring a clean and healthy indoor environment. HVAC system replacement can help improve energy efficiency and reduce utility costs, while HVAC tune-ups can keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. Regular HVAC inspections are also important for identifying any potential issues and addressing them before they become major problems. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida provided me with expert guidance and assistance in all aspects of energy-efficient HVAC solutions. Their professionalism and expertise made the process seamless and stress-free, ensuring that my home is equipped with the best possible HVAC system for optimal comfort and efficiency. When it comes to ensuring good indoor air quality, HVAC contractors play a crucial role in maintaining and improving the air we breathe in our homes or businesses. Services such as AC filter replacement, heat pump repair, boiler installation, ductless mini-split installation, and geothermal HVAC systems all contribute to creating a healthy indoor environment. One important aspect of indoor air quality is regular AC filter replacement, which helps to remove dust, pollen, and other airborne particles from circulating in the air. Heat pump repair and boiler installation are also vital services that HVAC contractors provide to ensure proper heating and ventilation in a building. Additionally, ductless mini-split installation and geothermal HVAC systems offer energy-efficient solutions for heating and cooling, which can improve air quality while reducing energy costs. I recently enlisted the help of Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, for all of my HVAC needs, including AC filter replacement, heat pump repair, boiler installation, ductless mini-split installation, and geothermal HVAC systems. Their expertise and professionalism made a significant difference in the indoor air quality of my home, and I highly recommend their services for anyone looking to improve their HVAC system. When it comes to HVAC technology trends for Jacksonville homeowners, there are several key advancements to consider. Rooftop HVAC units are becoming increasingly popular for their space-saving design and efficient cooling capabilities. Additionally, humidifier installation can help maintain optimal humidity levels in the home, while dehumidifier installation can combat excess moisture and prevent mold growth. Zoning system installation is another trend worth noting, as it allows for customized temperature control in different areas of the home. This can lead to increased comfort and energy savings. Furthermore, thermostat repair is essential for ensuring that your HVAC system is functioning properly and efficiently. I recently explored these HVAC technology trends and was impressed by the knowledge and expertise of Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida. The team at Bold City Heating and Air helped me with everything from rooftop HVAC unit installation to thermostat repair, ensuring that my home is equipped with the latest HVAC technology for optimal comfort and efficiency. When choosing an HVAC contractor, there are several factors to consider to ensure that you are getting the best service possible. It is important to look for a contractor that offers a range of services, such as air filtration systems, UV air purification, smart HVAC technology, and Energy Star HVAC products. These features can help improve indoor air quality, increase energy efficiency, and provide a more comfortable living or working environment. Additionally, commercial refrigeration services may be necessary for businesses that rely on refrigeration equipment to operate. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida helped me with all of these factors when I was in need of HVAC services. Their expertise in air filtration systems, UV air purification, smart HVAC technology, and Energy Star HVAC products was evident in the quality of their work. I was impressed with their knowledge and professionalism, and I would highly recommend them to anyone in need of HVAC services in the Jacksonville area. When it comes to HVAC systems in Jacksonville, the impact of climate cannot be overlooked. The hot and humid weather in this region can put a strain on HVAC systems, making it essential to have reliable industrial HVAC solutions in place. Proper HVAC system design is crucial to ensure that the system can effectively cool or heat the indoor space while also being energy efficient. In times of HVAC emergencies, having access to 24/7 HVAC emergency services is a lifesaver. HVAC consulting services can also provide valuable insights into optimizing your system for Jacksonville's climate. Additionally, exploring HVAC financing options can make it easier to invest in high-quality HVAC solutions. Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, has been instrumental in providing me with comprehensive HVAC services tailored to the specific needs of this region. Their expertise in HVAC system design and dedication to offering top-notch industrial HVAC solutions have made them a go-to choice for all my HVAC needs. With their assistance, I can rest assured that my HVAC system is well equipped to handle the challenges posed by Jacksonville's climate. When it comes to HVAC regulations and guidelines in Jacksonville, Florida, it is important to stay up to date with the latest requirements to ensure that your HVAC system is operating efficiently and in compliance with local laws. This includes understanding the necessary HVAC system upgrades, as well as ensuring that your system is installed and maintained properly by professionals with HVAC training and certification. In addition, having access to quality HVAC parts and supplies is essential for keeping your system running smoothly. HVAC warranty services can provide peace of mind in case of any unexpected issues, while HVAC maintenance agreements can help you stay on top of regular upkeep to prevent major problems down the line. I recently worked with Bold City Heating and Air in Jacksonville, Florida, and they were able to assist me with all of my HVAC needs, from system upgrades to maintenance agreements. Their expertise and dedication to quality service made the process seamless and stress-free.